investment increased by 1000 crores. It means delta I equal to 1000 crores of rupees. Calculate first total increase in income. A total increase in income. Total increase in income. First. Again I repeat the questions. In an economy, 75% of the increase in income is spent on consumption. It means if that income will be 100, 75 will be increase in their consumptions. So that is MP is equal to delta C upon delta Y. 75 by 100 equal to 0.75. That is why here the 0.75 or this is the marginal propensity to consume. Why it is marginal propensity to consume? It is understood. When 100 crores of rupees will be increased, 75 rupees will be the consumptions. Increase okay? So it means MP is equal to delta C upon delta Y or 75 by 100 equal to 3 by 4. That is that MP is 3 by 4. Understood? Investment is increased by 1000 crores. It means delta I is 1000 crores. So total increase in income. Total increase in income means that is delta Y. So we have already known that formula when the delta I is given and MPC is given. So at that time we know that delta Y equal to K into delta I. That formula I have already by cross multiplication. K is not given. So we have find out that K, if MPC is 3 by 4, what will that MPS? MPS is equal to 1 by 4 because MPC plus MPS equal to 1 or K equal to 1 by MPS. It means 1 by 4 equal to 4. It means K we will get that 4. So delta Y equal to K into delta I. It means K is 4 and delta I is given 1000 crores of rupees. So it will be that 4 into 1000 equal to 4000 crores of rupees. Next questions. Total increase in consumption expenditure. B part. Total increase in consumption expenditures. How much is that? Total consumption increase in expenditures. So if delta Y consumption expenditures Y equal to C plus I. Delta Y, the change in consumption equal to delta C plus delta I, no doubt. Or we may say that the question is asking that increase in consumption means delta C, which is equal to delta C equal to delta Y minus delta I. Delta Y minus delta I. Here is given delta Y is 4000 rupees and delta I is given 1000 rupees. So equal to 4000 crores of rupees minus 1000 crores of rupees equal to 3000 crores of rupees is that delta C. Total increase in consumption is 3000 crores of rupees. Alternative formula for calculation we may use because delta C equal to delta Y into MPC. Because MPC equal to delta C upon delta Y. We have already known this formula. So delta C equal to delta Y into MPC. How much is the delta Y? 4000 into MPC is 0.75. 0.75. So it means 4000 into 0.75 equal to 4 5 are 20, 4 7 are 28, 0 2 3000. This is the crores of rupees. It means this equal to this. Anyway, either you can find out by this formula or you may find out by this formula to find out the total increase in consumption expenditures. So these are the different numerical problems. We'll solve also next period also. There are other numerical problems in the different categories. You try to solve these problems as per your book, which is that unsolved and that solved. Thank you.